All you do, you just try make me see me make a first grand picking before me dead.
Rotted. You make me look so fake, T. It wasn't for you, ladies. It was for you, baby. So, I have an announcement. Yesterday was the biggest day of my life. And no, I'm still a virgin, so that's not it. Yesterday, I played PUBG. I'm a winner game. And I'm proud to say for the first time after about 2 to 3 years, Mikey, Ray, Pim, mother crown, dog, mother crown. I'm grown. Like Yadra. First me ever reach crown in my life. So it's Tyrone, I say. Tyrone or Tyrone. Pronounce your name for me, our friend. I remember when I used to play and reach crown. Those were the days. Need to start play back. And me just reach crown. I'm going to play PUBG every day. Nobody can talk to me now, cause guess what? I'm a crown player. Kind of PUBG, when the crown player them like PUBG you have to do with levels. I think them have bronze when they just start, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, crown, ace, and then them have something conqueror. So conqueror the ice, I think. You see me? Anybody will play PUBG, correct me if I'm wrong. So I just reach crown after so long of playing. But to be honest, I never did take it too serious. I just play for the fun. But now I'm a crown player. So when we go in our team, a crown player has just joined the team. And that I always used to see. You see me? So welcome King PUBG. Life lame, me there say boast about PUBG. Cause we bought yours! Mom, I just got done finished doing my chores.
Okay, right they are.
No! You can't go play PUBG, you know?
No.
I don't have nothing else
You
to
can't
do.
play PUBG until I grow back your beard.
That not go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Man without beard can't.
You know, just kiss me a little while.
Beard up, man, me like. Baby, I know that that's my weakness, right? Beard.
Lie.
Just kidding, guys.
Lie.
I just kidding.
So, Mom, can I go play PUBG for
No!
you? I misbehave.
PUBG, my work to go play now.
News just in. For those people who watch the series Unlucky, big up on yourself. Big up to everybody who took part in the series. The series, to me, is a hit. And you can look out for more series to come. I just want to take the time out to subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. If you're watching from my next channel or our next channel, subscribe to Razor Blade TV Vlogs because we're going to be posting daily vlogs. And subscribe because we're going to have the most lit vlogs on YouTube from quarantine forward. So come on, join the charisma gang because we're charismatic. See the palm chest? Oh, wrong chest. Yes, alright chest. See the palm chest. So may I say? So it's time now for
A few moments later.
Social distancing. Somebody know a shipping company right now. He enjoy the downstairs. I'm remembering this way apart long time, but I just want to show you where the man have flag with.
Yeah.
Now show the camera first. But look at the man have flag with. You?
Can you see?
How you mean? Man serious, eh?
A flag, a flag. What? I try to raise and show the flag, a flag.
Yo. Remember me say my tripod left up a man them, you know. A little one of me. You see me? Yo, in camera clear still.
This is the Sony A7 R2. You see me that big but 24 to 70 millimeter lens.
I'm hype and tech, you know. Boast my man. I flex my you know, people.
Image quality up, but still.
Alright, people, so we just reach in. We never dip on the road too long. We never get to do a lot of stuff. But, meanwhile, being on the road, I see iHeart money.
Virgin squad, hey, Virgin squad, over there, Virgin squad, over there, What's that?
Yeah, but right now, how are they? Oh, ta-da! Me hungry, you know, so me must have 2 one time, you know, my G. Long time I don't eat patty, you know. You know how long I don't go out the door? You know much people there in this right now, we're not even eat a patty long time, I tell you how it tastes. Hold on there. It still tastes good. A party crumbs and steel bag juice. Hey, comment below and tell me which patty your favorite. I like chicken, I like cheese, I like shrimp too. I love all of them. From a patty me eat it because I just love patty. So comment your favorite one. I actually want to eat a shrimp one today, but the place will stop never have the shrimp. Wake up. So, Ian just go buy a new mats and one day out in the hall. So, it's gonna be the first night we're gonna sleep out. Well, basically on the floor. Yes. But it well, we're going floor. Please, please.
That's the peep of my new rug. It's worth the money. At first, when they complain and say expensive, but I love it. Oh, shit. Woo! Whoa.
From with my computer, I take years to render, so I start post videos late, so I forgot to try my best to change that. I know. Watch that. I do a reaction video on the razor blade family and I try to upload the video, yo. Like a mega reaction. I react to Gio and Ken, King and Shay, Carter family, Abby and Alex, iHeart money, calling my girlfriend the B word prank. So I'll probably post it tonight, I don't know.
Oh my god, this feels so good.
Yeah man, what about? Mama, it's the morning to the vlog. We're up on the floor same way people.
That is our best sleep ever. Feel good. Like, I don't know if you not feel it, but the place hot. Like, if we didn't sleep in another room, they would have roast.
It'll be a fat piece of leg. It'll be a fat piece of jerk chicken leg.
Breast.
Breast too?
The breast I like.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thick bone food.
Milo
I know man. I know your face when I start thick bone
Milo
food.
tea.
Oh yeah, Castle.
Me say, you me to Jody this morning, you know, me say, me I watch one video with Eternal react to all photos, and Jody say, Jody said to me, say, I'll Angel and Jody, and Jason come, so me say, no. So me say, I want them to come. Me say, I see you put up a photo in that same. So me I say, Jody, Angel, they must have got those shopping or something. Never know that come down here.
Are you put champagne in the fridge?
My lord.
A phone?
Mine, Maxi died for my birthday.
So me can get some?
Of course. You can follow it if you want it.
But I know much. I know much left. Me want 12 left. I know much left, you know. So you keep party when you don't call me. Yeah, what that me want? So you are saying where you are saying that for you did want it?
No, drinking man.
No, you did want it?
No.
You did want it?
No, we drink already.
No, Jody did want it. Talk it truth, man.
I drink some, yes.
You don't drink some?
You have little ash in there, nice.
So what else we can find in the house? So what else in the house we can thief and cut it?
All you do, you just try make me see me little first grand picking before me dead.
Right. Yeah, no.
That's all.
Nobody else does it today.
What?
You don't carry a baby come when me can't manage. When me become a child again or a baby again. No.
I go work on it, man, mommy. My whole squad knows I'm a virgin now, so I go work on it.
Wish.
What you say I wish for? What you say that for? Mommy, I go make a grandson for you, here. Alright. Promise you. You hear that, Boobaram? That's her. She did that daydream for you know?
You can't manage that.
What you talk about me a suit 30?
Yes, you can't manage that child. You can't manage that child. You can't have you.
How you know me can manage a child?
What do you mean by it?
You can't manage it.
You think broke life nice? How what you talk about me? How you know? How you know? Tell me how you know.
What do you mean no?
Hey,
What?
so me can manage a child.
What do you mean by what me know?
What's that?
Are you earning?
Broke life no sweet.
You're earning. I don't want you to be like some man where when they finish then throw the AC here or here they go around and they'll take care of them. If you get a child, you can take care of your things.
I'm a good mother.
Well, I need someone if you know, man.
You know what I'm
You can't manage it
If a girl, it good. And if a boy,
Go
it
on
good.
to
You have no
yeah,
choice.
Jason. Go on.
You definitely top call them twin.
God's blessing, you don't have no choice.
Alright people, we're there to the end of the vlog. We come in, we come off of the road and we're alright. We eat some food. He enjoy the road in front lie down. Mommy me just call her, you see. I guess mommy says she ready for a grandchild I know. Can't eat if we get the oats and get the supper gen. For the people them where hold it through quarantine time, go and hold it. We go up on the road today and the road is full of people. Everywhere full. Anyway, you're supposed to pay a bill or buy food, full. I don't know how Jamaicans are really recover from this, but it look like this thing I got there for a while. So now, we just tell Uno because of this me have to do. I have to just put it in my mind say, I have to go live with going on the road knowing say COVID-19 the boat. You see me I say, it's not like a thing we are going to just pass tomorrow. I wish it had just pass tomorrow, but it don't look so. Is it so? You don't know. I have to go and roll out some videos. So I have to just tell myself say yo, I have to just find something to post. So I'm gonna go sleep because I start feel like say if I get more rest, I have more energy to do more in the day. So if you made it this far in the vlog, you are part of the Virgin Squad.